What's going on YouTube? Centex Collector here with another G.I. Joe classified review. This time of Sergeant Slaughter. Finally got my hands on him. Figure number 53. Got this from Hasbro Pulse. This is the quote-unquote windowless. Here's a UPC if you need it. The windowless packaging, which we've seen with Kamakura and a few others. At the figure, this box. Yeah, outside's pretty cool, but this should be all our weapons in here. There's our typical piece of paper. And let me break all this stuff out because it's really noisy on the camera, but let me break all this out. Alright, here we go. Let's get through the accessories here. Accessories, oh my. So Hasbro did a really good job of accessories for this one. As we know, this Slaughter's reminiscent from our childhood, from the 87 G.I. Joe movie. So Hasbro got some hands here. This one's, sure what this is. Your number one, I don't know. There's two hands there. And then we have two more hands. This one. Like they're kind of grappling. And then we got two more hands. See, I'm gonna have to swap one of these out because he comes with closed fists apparently. And these look more like trigger figure hands right here. And then I forgot about this little guy. Got a micro Sergeant Slaughter figure. And then, of course, his whistle. And his shades. And then his drill instructor cover. And then the baton, which we all lost as a kid. I definitely don't have one currently for my Sarge. And then this rifle. She never had a rifle before, but whatever. Pop in this magazine. And then this piece here. And a scope or what have you. Yeah, there we go. So again, modular with the scope. And the mag, like Marauders, Gun Runners, Weapons, or Valiverse. And then here's the original. So we'll go over that in a minute. And then this is a custom 3 3/4 a local buddy of mine do years ago now. It's been quite a few years. He used the roadblock buck and repainted it. And then of course we had to mention this one. So this one, again, Ringside Collectibles. Great stands, come in black, white, and silver. But this one, Valver's tried. It was We didn't know this was coming. This was on the Kickstarter way back when. Cool figure for what it was, but putting him back in the packaging don't look too bad, but he's a little scrawny compared to this other Sarge. Good attempt, but yeah, he's gonna put him back in the box and put on the shelf for display, because this will be my Sarge that'll be loose with the rest of the Joes. So we can see black shirt, camo, a little darker, a little different boots, more modernized boots. He's got the black there on the wrist, and that black there on the wrist. Bulked out, 'cause that's what Sarge was, big dude. A little different color on the waist. Then you got your whistle, and the shades with the stash. The drill instructor hat. Looks like, can't tell if he's a E6 or E7, but got the insignia on the drill instructor cover. So definitely very reminiscent. Oh, for some sort of accessory, you want to do a backpack, he didn't come with one. Didn't have one back in the day. The only thing he's probably missing, he could have probably did, is the duffel bag. But other than that, spot on to the original. Digging it. Digging it, digging it, digging it. And he's got the size. If we look at this Enforcer, which is the bigger, bulkier figure, so he's got that size for a bigger buck, like a Roadblock, what have you. So, an articulation, foot movement, and your trademarking. A movement here. Double joint knees with the knee pads. Details with the pockets. Upper movement here. And left, right on the torso. Up, down on the torso. Like a paint. What that is right there, but. And then details in the muscles and veins in the arms. Double jointed elbows. Of course, the hands. Pop these off, because we'll definitely gonna throw some open hands on them. And upper arm movement here. Then he's got the movement here underneath the shoulder. Up, down movement. Movement there's not as free as I thought. And then he's got the up, down, and left, right movement ahead. I don't want to move too much with the sunglasses, but the sunglasses actually fit really good with the cover on, the drill instructor cover. His knee seems, oh, it's probably his leg. His knee seems off over here. There we go. I'll throw some different hands on it later. But man, oh man, look at that. Sergeant Slaughter. And then, of course, they size up to the Valiverse. Actually, this one seems taller. This one's actually slightly taller than the Valverse Sarge. It's definitely bulkier. And there's the regular Valverse, like, infantry soldier. But yeah, there's the Sarge. Like I said, these figures are getting better and better. Windowless package, whatever. I'm not a box collector. As you see, I take them all out, display them, what have you. But yeah, that figure is solid. There's the custom. But yeah, guys, that's the Sarge. I know how y'all are feeling about classified, Sarge, whatever have you. Like, comment, subscribe. JJ out.